All right, so now the dp-900 is where you learn about Azure data. So where you store data on Azure so that you're not just using your virtual machine disk. So now in here, I have my web server and I added a storage account that I called cis-195 and I added it as a blob storage, locally redundant. So it's not going to be replicated across Microsoft's data centers. It's only going to be in the one rack in the one data center. So I'm responsible for doing my own backups of this data. Um, and I did allow access from all networks so that I could mount it on my computer as well to upload code to it. Um, so then I went down here. Where did they put it? File shares, HTML. And in this file share, I have that index.html file. So then I went over here and I mounted it to the mount/html folder. And then there's the index.html in that folder right there. So I symlinked that over into the var www HTML folder so that the file for my web page would be in the Azure data blob instead of on the Azure VM disk. So now if I go over, you can see here, if I reload here, and now it's the same page working, but now the HTML is hosted on the data blob instead of in the virtual machine disk, separating the operating system and the data.